We're on day 3 of trading our 50K prop firm evaluation account with Apex Trader. Secured another green day. We had Powell testifying before the Senate at 10, so I got one trade in before, and then one trade like right around 10. Market was going crazy. I had my brackets on to mitigate that risk and decided to just end it there. First 3 days of this account, all 3 green days. I want to keep that trend going. After what happened yesterday with Tradervue, with around 10 with Powell speaking, I sure as hell was not about to trade my live account with them. I just don't trust that. I may just not trade my live account on any news days because of Tradervue's inability to keep their platform up. And I'll just do that probably until I can find another broker and move my funds over and trade with somebody else. So today it was just the evaluation account, 2 successful trades. They were pretty much perfect trades. The second one was a little risky. If you're interested in using Apex Trader as a prop firm, they have a deal right now that anyone can use. If you use coupon SAVE80, you get 80% off. You can't beat getting a 50K account for $40 a month. That's a crazy good deal. That's what I ended up using a couple months ago when they ran this deal to get this account. So if you want to use that, you can use a coupon SAVE80. And if you want to help the channel out, you can use the affiliate link in the description, but you don't have to. You can just click a normal link, or just go to apextrader.com. And I believe you can use the SAVE80 on any account. So if you want a larger one, you can get 80% off. If you want a smaller one, you can get 80% off, but do whatever you want. Enjoy the trades, and I will catch you all tomorrow. I'm gonna go short up here when we get close to 75-ish. Pointing controls at 75, VWAPs at 75. That's enough. I just have automatic stop and automatic take profit, automatic stop loss after what we went through yesterday, so I need to keep those on the board at all times from now on. And I just take those 12 points. We could keep going, but with the Powell still testifying at 10, I just want to get in and get out. That was a perfect 12-point scalp right there. We did not go into the red whatsoever. It was quick, and it was profitable. So we cannot ask for anything more than that. Just looking over here on Tradervue to see the point of control, to see if those are moving at all. I don't have access to point of control on NinjaTrader, so I have to just keep Tradervue pulled up in a different screen, and then I'm just watching to see if I need to move these manual point of controls that I'm putting on the charts. If we go up here again, could break through VWAP. I have a buy at 81. ES is pushing pretty strong. It's at the top of this little range that it's got going on. Actually, yeah, it's kind of dangerous buying when ES is at the top of a range. Well, it might go pop that. Put one on 81. I mean, we'll keep it at 81. Just trying to break through up here. It did a little bit. Checking to make sure point of control is not moving. Still in the range. It didn't want to really get out of that. You know, actually, I told myself I wasn't going to play those moves anymore of trying to break out of ranges. I would rather, I think it's, for me, anytime I think that, typically we stay in the range. So I think statistically, you're better off shorting the top of the range and buying the bottom of the range, because you only break out of a range. Let's say we have like 5-minute candles and you are playing that strategy and it breaks out on the 6th one, you have a better chance of just playing that it's going to stay in the range, because every candle, you had 5 candles where it did stay in the range and it only broke out one time on the 6th one. That's just my opinion. Do what you want with that. Although it does look like it wants to break out. I just don't know. I don't want to. I need to stop trying to play that to where I get burned. Now it's getting close to 10, and yesterday at 10 we had some massive downward movements, and Powell's speaking or testifying at the Senate again. So I mean, I would think we're gonna have the same movement. Put a sell down here at like 40. There's a bunch of wicks, bottom of candles down there. So I mean, if we come down there, I would think we'll get the movement down to like the 20s, maybe 100. No, I don't trust this. We'll see what happens at 10. Let's take this off and for now. I'm gonna sell at 70. If we get back in this previous range, I think we get the rotation down at least to the bottom of the range, if not further. 20 controls right at 70, so I'll have to be careful about that. Jesus. I'm gonna X out of that. That was nuts. Luckily we had our brackets on, so we weren't gonna get wiped out, but we are at 480 on the day. This is where I was thinking about getting in earlier. We'll just see if that plays out. I think I had it at 38-ish. Got down to 26. It's too risky to. It's exciting, but it's moving too quick. Yesterday we got lucky on that live account. I think I'm just gonna sit this out. Even though it's playing out exactly what we were wanting. If we got in earlier at 38, we wouldn't have got stopped out. I think I had 15 points of a stop loss and we only got to 48. So we would have hit our 20 points of take profit if we just let the bracket played out. But I don't want to get into this movement. We have now secured 3 green days in a row on this account. We're up 1,300, so just about halfway to our goal of 3K. If you are interested in trying a prop firm, Apex is doing a sale right now through I think the end of March, like 80% off. That's how I got this account. They had that deal back in December, I think. So you can get a 50K account, which is what I'm trading on, for like $36 a month while you're in the evaluation stage. I mean, you can't beat that. The coupon code is SAVE80, and I'll put that in the description. And if you want to help this channel out, you can use the affiliate link it does help out if you click that, but you don't have to. You can click the regular link, and I'll put that down there too. You can use SAVE80 just by going to apextrader.com. But I don't know, I honestly am not a huge fan of prop firms, and I've spoken about this before, but when it's less than $40 for like this account, I mean, you just can't, it's like, that's nothing. So why not spend 40 bucks to get the chance to work your way up to an evaluation account? I mean, work your way up to a funded account and be able to trade the minis. All right, well, this is going to probably be crazy for a little while. We secured 480. I'm going to just call it there. There's no point in me sitting here watching it and then start just building up temptation to want to trade. I'd rather just get away from the computer and take that away, so I can't. You guys be safe trading, and I will see you all tomorrow.